Welcome to This Explainer. Let's just dive right in. With a pretty hard truth, you've probably been giving away your power for far too long. And honestly, you might not have even realized it. Think about the exhausting reality of living on autopilot. Someone insults you, you immediately react. Someone questions you, you rush to defend yourself. Someone tries to provoke you, and you just happily step right into their trap. You know, we often think that responding makes us look stronger. But the truth is, every single time you react to a provocation, you are basically surrendering a little piece of your strength. Today, we're going to change that, and we are going to do it intentionally.
So I have to ask you, who actually controls your attention? Because every time you react to toxic people, unnecessary drama, or just totally meaningless opinions, you are unintentionally giving away your most valuable asset. I mean, your attention, your focus, your peace of mind, these are literally priceless resources. Yet, so many of us spend our lives just handing them over to individuals who have done absolutely nothing to deserve them. And while they're taking all your energy, your own goals and happiness slowly suffer. It is time to stop playing by their rules.
In this explainer, we are going to walk through a masterclass playbook to fix this. We'll cover 6 timeless Machiavellian principles. 1. Attention is currency. 2. Silence as a weapon. 3. The power of absence. 4. Erasing the unworthy. 5. Armor of indifference. And 6. Calculated inaction. This is all about shifting you from a reactive state to living highly intentionally. To really understand this shift, let's contrast living on a reactive autopilot versus wielding intentional power. Ordinary people kind of just operate on autopilot. They feel obligated to explain every single decision, and they waste precious time trying to convince people who have already made up their minds. But powerful people, they intentionally guard their focus. They choose their battles carefully. They definitely don't respond to every criticism, and they don't make themselves constantly available. Their energy is carefully invested only where it creates actual value.
Okay, let's dive into this. Number 1, attention is currency.
There is a massive difference between simply spending your attention and intentionally investing it. Every conversation, every argument, every little distraction demands payment. And the price? It's your focus, your emotional energy, and your time. So whenever you give someone your attention, you've got to start asking yourself, what am I actually receiving in return for this investment? If someone is just creating problems and taking your energy without adding any value, reacting to their drama is just a terrible investment. Powerful people build filters. They invest in personal goals and their own peace.
Imagine getting a super disrespectful message. Your first instinct is to just fire back, right? We've all been there. But if you do, you're literally handing them your attention. Instead, try this intentional procedure. Step 1, read it. Step 2, remain completely calm and feel nothing. Step 3, delete it. Step 4, just continue living your life. Doing this brilliantly flips the power dynamic. Now, instead of you stressing and thinking about them, they're sitting there wondering why you didn't care. You become like a fortress. Not everyone gets entry.
Let's really internalize this concept. My attention is valuable. I choose carefully where I invest it, and I refuse to waste it on people or situations that do not deserve my energy. From this moment forward, I want you to treat your attention exactly the way you would treat pure gold.
Moving right along to number 2, silence as a weapon. This one challenges a very common fear. A lot of people mistakenly believe that if they don't defend themselves, they'll look weak. Well, let's shatter that myth right now. The moment you give in to the reactive urge and fight back with words, you are playing a game by their rules. You've given them exactly what they were hoping for, a reaction. But intentional silence? That completely removes the fuel from the conflict. Every response validates the other person. It confirms they successfully got into your head. Silence removes that reward. It leaves them alone with unanswered questions. Did you ignore them? Do you just not care? Honestly, their own imagination becomes way harsher than any comeback you could have ever delivered.
Keep this in mind. My silence is my strength. I speak with purpose, remain calm under pressure, and never waste my energy reacting to what doesn't deserve my attention. Silence is absolutely not surrender. It's not fear. It is the ultimate sign of emotional mastery, discipline, and living intentionally.
Number 3, the power of absence. True influence isn't about isolating yourself or pushing everyone away. It's actually about strategic withdrawal. Because as this brilliantly illustrates, scarcity creates value. Constant availability destroys it. If people know you will always drop everything to say yes, if they know you'll always respond immediately, your presence slowly just becomes ordinary. It becomes expected rather than appreciated. The most powerful people, they don't disappear, they just become intentional.
They remain present, but strictly on their own terms. Their unpredictability creates interest, and their boundaries become their greatest strength.
Anchor this lesson in your mind. I choose when and where I invest my presence. My time is valuable, and I never make myself constantly available to everyone. You should absolutely participate in life, just don't allow life to dictate your every move. Teach people that your attention is earned, not automatically given.
Section 4. Erasing the unworthy.
One of the biggest traps you can fall into is constantly giving chances to people who repeatedly drain your energy, hoping they're somehow going to change. Machiavelli understood that power is also about recognizing who must be removed. First, enemies. These are the people actively working against your success. Don't argue with them. Success is the best and loudest response to an enemy. Second, constant critics. Those who judge but never build. Real achievement doesn't argue with criticism. It simply outgrows it. And third, energy drainers. People who constantly complain but never ever seek solutions. Distancing yourself from these people isn't cruel, it is absolute wisdom. You cannot remain strong if you are emotionally exhausted every single day.
You have to tell yourself, I release people who drain my energy and make room for those who respect my peace. Quietly removing these people from your life isn't about making some dramatic announcement or having public arguments. It is simply a necessary boundary to protect your own future. Just intentionally stop giving them access to your attention.
Number 5. The armor of indifference.
You see, people can only manipulate you if you willingly hand them the keys to your inner peace. Let's contrast two mindsets here. The emotional prisoner lets a stranger's criticism or a single negative comment completely ruin their entire day. They are totally dependent on outside opinions. But the emotional master, they build an armor of indifference. Now, this doesn't mean you stop caring about your goals or your loved ones. It just means you exercise the intentional discipline of deciding which emotions actually deserve your attention. If someone disrespects you, you pause. And you remind yourself that another person's opinion does not define your reality. You stop reacting automatically.
My emotions belong to me alone. I choose what deserves my energy, I protect my inner peace, and no outside opinion has the power to control who I am. True strength comes from mastering yourself, not from desperately seeking public approval. When people realize they can no longer manipulate your emotions, your calmness makes you truly untouchable.
And finally, number 6, winning by calculated inaction.
Most people mistakenly believe that power comes from constant, endless action and fighting every single battle. But sometimes, the absolutely strongest move you can make is choosing not to move at all. This isn't laziness and it isn't fear. It is the deep, intentional wisdom of recognizing that not every challenge actually deserves your participation.
When you try to fight every battle and defend yourself against every rumor, it just leads to exhaustion. You rush, you make mistakes, and you shift your focus completely away from your own growth. Calculated inaction, on the other hand, is all about patience. If someone spreads a rumor, let the truth speak louder than the gossip. If someone copies you, don't chase them down. Just keep building your own success. Every single minute you refuse to waste on unnecessary drama is a minute invested in your own future. That kind of discipline naturally commands respect and completely shifts the balance of power right back in your favor.
To wrap up our structured lessons here, I want you to remember this. I control my attention, my emotions, and my actions. I move with wisdom instead of impulse, and protect my peace above all else. This is the ultimate shift from impulsive reacting to disciplined, intentional living. It's about moving with quiet confidence and remaining totally calm while everyone else is just reacting emotionally. So, I'll leave you with this provocative question to chew on. Are you ready to stop giving away your power? Are you ready to stop defending your ego and start intentionally protecting your peace? Because the most powerful person in any room is never the one speaking the loudest. It's the one who knows exactly when to act and when to intentionally remain still. Go out there and reclaim control over your own mind starting today.